Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is McMurtury Speirling. I hope I am pronouncing that right and I'm going to pronounce it this way only. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, so this is a new casting for 2025 and this is by Hot Wheels from their mainline series which is 179 Indian MRP. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, so here is the card art. Okay, so this is two in the box. I mean, don't worry about it. These are again repeating in 2026 cases and in a different color, so don't worry about it. Okay, so this is a new casting. Let's see. You can see the logo here. At least this time they didn't mess up because this is very big. Okay, you can see these are holes. You can see the tires here, the rear as well. So you can see the cockpit here. A little bit of detailing inside. Not much, but there is something. You can see this splitter, air splitter here, and the spoiler. Okay, this is supposed to be lights, I guess, in the actual car. Let's see in the front. Is that supposed to be? Yeah, that is supposed to be headlight here somewhere. It is not here. So it doesn't have any headlight or tail light details painted properly. So it is looking, I don't know. I personally don't like this car. It's not really that either cool looking or even crazy looking. It's something, I don't know, something different. Personally, I am not a fan of it. Maybe you guys might like it. Okay. So the body is fully metal, including the spoiler here. So this piece is plastic. This attaches with this windshield here. So chassis is plastic. The front bumper and splitter, everything is plastic. Okay. So it has multiple pieces. Okay, that is also metal, I guess. It does feel like metal, but yeah, it is a metal piece. Okay, let's weigh this one. 29 grams for a tiny casting. That's really good. Let's see how this one rolls. Okay, that actually rolls really good. Yeah, that actually rolls really well. Produces some noise, but it rolls really well. So let's rate this casting now. So it doesn't have any headlight or tail light detailing here. So 0.5 taken out of 10. So 9.5 out of 10. I don't see any other issue with the casting. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.